Good afternoon to the Philippines and hello to the world. I am Andre De Vera,
And I am Alex Kicho, delivering you the latest BD news for today, Tuesday, 1st of September, year 2015.
Such a great day, isn't it, partner?
Indeed, it is a pleasant day to hear the most recent news and a great day to be in action.
Oh, you're so energetic today, Alex. But you are definitely right.
Well, let us not make our viewers wait. So these are the headlines.
Pinoy speaks over black propaganda issue. Lawmakers want hearings on customs plan to inspect balikbayan boxes.
Pinoy speaks over black propaganda issue. What has happened there in Cebu? Jason?
President Benigno Aquino III last Tuesday finally broke his silence on accusations linking to the ruling Liberal Party to an alleged black propaganda scheme to derail the presidential bid of Senator Grace Poe. The president was in Cebu for another gathering of friends where he repeated what he had just announced recently, endorsing Rojas as the Liberal Party's presidential candidate for the next year's elections. Aquino was asked to post a recent statement linking of some LT's officials or members to an alleged concerted effort to cast an aspersions on her integrity and reputations. Last week, Poe met Rojas and told him that her distractors from his camp. The senators admitted that she was questions raised by some groups about her citizenship and presidency. A senatorial race user, Rizalito David, has filed two separate cases against Poe before the Senatorial Tribunal and the Commission of the Elections, or COMELEC, seeking her outsider alleged questionable citizenship. Back to you, Andre.
Thank you for that, Jason. Coming up in the Golden News. Lawmakers want hearings on customs plan to inspect balikbayan boxes. But before that, let us hear a word from our sponsor.
Oh my God! Why are you not eating your vegetables?
Mom, I really don't like vegetables.
That's not acceptable.
I want something sweet. I really like vegetables.
We are back at Be the News. Lawmakers want hearings on customs plan to inspect balikbayan boxes. Bringing the details of the incident, Reserve revealed the story.
Two progressive lawmakers will ask Congress to investigate the Bureau of Customs or BOC impending the implementation of a more stringent inspection of balikbayan boxes to determine if it should be stopped. Bayamuna Party List Representative Nery Colmenares and Isagani Zarate said they will file in the coming days as a resolution seeking for a probe of BOC's plan to conduct a random inspection of balikbayan boxes. Zarate said the random inspections are unnecessary since X-ray machines can be used to check the container's content without opening it. As I see it, our BOC's plan is just another scheme to further fleece hard-earned money from our OFWs, and this should be stopped immediately, he said. Customs Commissioner Albert Tina earlier announced that the BOC will become more stringent in checking balikbayan boxes as some harvested them to smuggle commercial items that should be taxed.
Thank you for bringing us that news.
And that's the latest news for today.
Again, I am Andre De Vera.
And I am Alex Kicho. And this is Be the News.